Okay, I'm back. Plugging away. Modeling thick finishes. Thicker finish materials such as tile, stone pavers, or terrazzo can be applied as unique floor types and modeled where required. For large areas of finish, such as a public atrium or airport terminal, you can assign these materials within the layers of the floor assembly. When you need to add smaller areas of thick floor finishes, you may encounter one of two scenarios with depressed floor and without. In areas such as bathrooms, a thick set tile floor may require the structural slab to be depressed in order to accommodate the thickness of the finished material. The main floor object has been cut. Well, in the figure that we're going to be showing you, the main floor object has been cut with an opening at the inside face of the walls. Another floor has been modeled with a negative offset value to accommodate the thickness of the tile material, and the tile has been placed as a unique wall element. Now, it doesn't show you that, but you can discern that from an image. If I just say depressed tile flooring section, I'm sure I can get you the image close to what the book is saying. Right. Okay, so a depressed floor. I'm depressed. No. All right, now, if you do not need a finish, but just a slab depression, you can create it with an in-place void extrusion. Select the architectural tab in the ribbon and click component model in place, choose the floors category and create a void extrusion. We need a slab depression. Remember to use the cut geometry tool to cut the void from the floor before finishing the family. As an alternative, you can create a floor-based generic family that contains a parametric void extrusion. You can download the file C14 Slab Depression RFA is an example of this type of family from the book's webpage. Finally, if the structural requirements allow a thick finish to be applied to a floor without dropping the structural slab, a finished floor element can be modeled directly in place within the structural slab, as shown in figure 14.21. The tile floor has been graphically embedded in the structural floor using the Join Geometry tool. To do this, click the Modify tab in the ribbon and click Join Geometry. Be sure to pick the finished floor before the structural floor or you'll get an error. Okay, now, it doesn't go through the steps. The book's not going to tell you how to do it. I'm going to do it, and I'm just going to go through it with you. So, we're going to prepare for that inevitability. All right, now, let's just hold that thought, and let's go back to our Revit. Okay, remember that we can edit of the floors, right? We can edit the assembly of the floor. Okay, now, hold that thought. I am going to prepare the lesson going forward. Now, just give me a second or two or a couple hours. It all depends. I have things to do. But again, this edit assembly dialog box behaves just like the wall, just like all the other dialog boxes that allowed us to dig down a little more granular into these systems. All right, so hold that thought, and I'm going to come back with a demonstration of that. So just hang tight. And remember what you were taught and how you were taught. How taught are you?